Hello everyone, welcome back to episode 8 of our Python guide. Today we're going to talk a little bit about a couple secrets that I got with just making your code look a bit nicer using the end function, and then we're going to talk about f-strings and then a bit about the alignment, and then finally about day 31 challenge. And finally about episode 8's challenge. So we'll get into that shortly, but first we will I'll show you guys how to use the end equals function. Okay, so normally we would have for I in range, correct, and you'll do that for I in range, and then you'll do say 1 to 100, and then cool. Is it colon in Python? Yeah. So, and obviously to print, you go like this, print, and then you do print I, and then that'll print 1 to 100. Yeah, correct. Cool. Now, what we can do now is we can do the same thing, but instead we can add this. We can do how do I show it? So we can do end. We'll do comma end equals quotes and do space. What this will do, instead of it going all the way downwards like before and just spamming your command prompt, what we will do, it will just print across. So let me show you how it works. Beautiful. That just makes it look just a little bit more tidy and just a bit more nice. And let me teach you guys through this. So this will loop 100 times with the variable I, and it'll print out I 100 times. So in this case, it'll be 100 integers. And the end function basically will tell the computer to end this, so it will space out this many times until it goes to the next output, as shown before. We can also do /n. I don't know if I have the correct one. Yeah, I don't have the correct one. Let me get on-screen keyboard. My keyboard doesn't have the other one. Okay, we do \n, and it'll do the same thing as the other one, but this is just if you want to use end like that. And we're gonna do other things as well, where you have where you can get a tab and a vertical tab. So you can just do t. Is it t? It'll be /t. So let me get this back and then do /t, and it'll make it look pretty nicely like a tab. And we're gonna also do a vertical tab, which, if I'm correct, it'll be a V. And yep, you'll have a nice cool just nice pretty output, so that your code looks just a little bit nicer. And then my other thing that I wanted to show you guys is, how would I show you guys this? Because okay, let me show you guys. So the second part I want to show you, that is my little secret, is just for it to look nice, is colors. Right now my output is white and black, correct? What I will do now is basically go on GitHub, and I'll just type in Python colors code, and what that will give me is all the colors that I can use and turn the characters into. So let me show you. Let me get the. I prepared this real quick. Let me just get this up. Okay, so what we have here is no inputs, just all print statements. And what I'm asking for you guys to do is, it'll print if you put. If I did not have this, it will just say print if you put. It will just say if you put in black or white. It'll put in white letters, yeah. But because I've put print and then the code for yellow into here, it will do if you put in yellow writing. So basically what we will see here is that we'll do if you put in yellow, nothing as the in purple, nothing as the end character as green, then you don't as default, so it'll be white in this case, and then get odd gaps, which is white. So if I show it to you, that's probably the best way to show you guys. As you can see, we get this. If you put nothing as the end character, then you don't get odd gaps. Cool. Furthermore, what we can also do is we can do a nice little, how do I show this? Instead of doing it all in vertically, we can do this. We can do print if you put and then put let's put the color yellow, so it'll be backslash. I don't have backslash, I'm just print copy and paste it because, you know, why was I not, especially when I'm doing stuff like this. I'll do it like that, and then you do another comma, and then we can do, let's just do it like this. Just probably the easiest, so I don't waste your guys' time. And then go like that, another comma, and then end character, and then we do green. As I said before, guys, you can find all these codes for each color. There's multiple. There's more than just 4 colors, as I've shown here. I think there's over 30 that you can do, but might be a bit more. I'm unsure, but it should be around that. And let me zoom out real quick. We'll have this, and then we do thingy. Oh, oh, I didn't close the brackets. My bad, man. Let's do this. Get rid of this. Boom. If you put nothing as the end character, then you don't get odd gaps. Beautiful. That's basically how it works. As the output says, just read it, and then if you put nothing as the end character, then you don't get odd gaps. Beautiful. What else am I going to teach, guys? So we've talked about colors, we've talked about the end equals function. What I'm going to teach you guys now is how to use an f-string. So let's just do let's create some couple variables. We'll do name Cassian. We'll do age equals let's say 18, and then we'll do let's do pronouns. He him, right? Cool. Let's put these in thingy. Okay, so now that we set up our variables, I can show you guys how to do the first variant of an f-string. But first, let me show you guys. I'll show you what it will normally look like. Normally it will look like this. Print my name is, and the thing, Lord, my name is, and then you do name thingy comma again, is Cassian. I am, again, close again, age, and then we'll do it again, and then do and my pronouns are, and then let's get a bit of space on that, and then we'll close the brackets. That's what it normally be. But when you want to use f-strings, what you will do, so how would I want to show you guys this? I'm gonna do it like this. So print. First of all, let me just print it out for you guys so you can see. Cool. My name is Cassian. I'm 18 and my pronouns are he, him. Cool. Now we can do this. We can do my my name is and then we can do this. This is what I'm gonna show you guys what to change. I'm gonna do my name is, and then we do curly brackets. Cool. These are curly brackets, yeah. Curly brackets, and then I'll put a comma just for language. You don't actually have to do this. You can just say I am for that part, but I'll put thingy just for my sake. I'll do I am, and then we're gonna do another set of curly brackets for age. And then lastly, we're going to do and my pronouns are, and we'll do another set of curly brackets. And basically what this will do is nothing yet. But now this is when f-string gets put in. We can do at the end of our nice little part here, we can do dot format, and this is your function, so to say. And here's what we're going to put our variables in, because right now if we just had curly brackets, it doesn't know what to put in there. So this is what the dot format function does. It'll put dot format, and then we'll do name, age, and pronouns. Cool. And then double, because we have to end it all. And what this should do is it'll print exactly the same as this, but without having to need to put commas and everything. So if that works, okay. Oh, my bad. Okay. If that works, yep, correct. My name is Cassian, I'm 18, and my pronouns are he, him. That is very juicy, that is very nice. But we're not done there, guys. We're not done there. We can also do another thing. Let me think. How can we do this? We can do we can also do we can also do this. Let me show you guys. So before it was like this, and then you have the dot format function. Now what you can do is you can put name in here, and you can put name in here, and no, you want to put age in here, and you want to put don't get it wrong this time, pronouns. And then the dot format function, what you want to do is you want to do name equals, is it double equals? Let me check the syntax real quick. No, it's not. It would be name equals name, comma, age equals age, and pronouns equals pronouns. And what this will do, it'll do the exact same thing. As you can see, if we stop it and we run it again, no errors, and it'll print the exact same thing. This is basically if you want to so you have the variables, so your variable would be the first one, and the second part here is what is inside here. So I can put Johnny, but it'll print Cassian instead of Johnny here if I change this to Johnny. Was it the other way around? Or am I just being delusional here, guys? Like that? Yeah, okay, cool. It's the other way around, guys. So this part is where it says Johnny is the whatever this writing's inside the curly brackets, and the second part is the actual variable that we have up here that we've assigned earlier. So that is another version of f-strings. And lastly, I want to introduce you to my favorite one, which will be, in my opinion, is the easier one, just because it is. And let me show you guys how to do it. So we're gonna get rid of this, and we're gonna make another variable. We're gonna do profile. Cool. And inside here, we're gonna forget anything I've ever said about printing. We're gonna do F speech marks, and here in here we can do my name is do name, and then we do comma I am again age, and we do and my pronouns are, and we do pronouns. And here, and then we're going to end it with the speech marks. We don't have any brackets in this. We don't have anything other than what we want to have inside it. And as you can see, if I start it, it won't do anything. Correct. Because remember, we're storing it in the variable profile. So what we do now is we do print profile, and it should print the same. So that's basically it, guys. This one's my favorite. It's just the simplest way of doing everything, and it's the one that I use the most, so that is that pretty much. Okay, so after talking about f-strings, I'm gonna go on to the last parts of our video today, guys, and that will be on alignment. Okay, so let's make a for loop again for I in range, and we can do 1 to 8 because there's 8. This is episode 8. That's what we'll do. And we're gonna do let's use our f string. Let's do print. Oh, if you guys didn't spoil it, I spoiled it just now. Gotta think about the syntax. Lord have mercy. Print, and we can do f and what's it called? Speech marks. Now what we can do is, instead of having what would normally be day and then I and then day I of 8, which will print out like that, what we want to do now is we want to show alignment, and what this means is basically just having it, so whatever it is right now, actually let me show you, let me copy and paste. Now if we go like this and go like this, and now we're going to use the syntax of semicolon, and we're going to move 2 to the left. So let me show you guys if that's correct. So I think that should work. Cool. So as you can see, after I, it will print 2 to the left, 2 to the right, I mean. And it'll do the same thing if I did like this. It'll do 2 to the left. Wait, let me get rid of that. It'll do 2 to the right, I mean. So yeah, wait, okay. You get the point. And then if I want to do upwards arrow, if I even have the upwards arrow, do I have the upwards arrow? Let me get the keyboard again. So if I want the upwards arrow right here, what's that? I'm bugging out. Where's the upwards arrow? Oh, here. Okay, so the upwards arrow, and what this will do is it will just center everything. So now you can see that it centered everything. Because look, you see it's centered with this. Cool, guys. If that makes sense, basically you just use an f string. You got your variable in here. You do a semicolon, and then you do center of 2. So you'll align it 2 center spaces. If I wanted to do 30, you can do this, and then you center it. Or you can do 20 like this, or as I did before, like this, and you'd get 20 to the left. You can just play around with it, and you can also move day and whatever. I'll let you guys figure that out, but that's about it for this part of the section part of the video. And lastly, what I want to get into is, of course, day 8's challenge. So let me get you guys into this. Okay, so day episode 8's, let me add the challenge here. Episode 8's challenge, what we will talk about is what I want you guys to do basically is I want you guys to create a classic user interface using string manipulation. So what I've taught you in this episode and other episodes. Actually, yeah, you can use other episodes as well. But I want you guys to create a similar user interface to the one I have below here that I've already outputted and programmed, and just do something similar. And then what I want you guys to do is just use all your knowledge about extensions and just print the statements using f-strings, and then align it so that it's not right at the beginning of the command line. And then I want you guys to I don't know what this is here. I can't. It's because I had like 2 separate parts, but I just want you guys to use to pretty much copy this user interface by writing the code for it, and then you should be able to get something similar to this. If not, you can like customize it to how you want. Instead of having Lady Gaga, you can have somebody else. But yeah, but overall, you don't want any input statements, as this is pretty much all prints and variables, and just use it however you can to make it look interesting. And it would be like a little bit, if you want to be more advanced, you can use a subroutine, just so that you get used to using subroutines, because it's good to get used to them. But other than that, guys, the answer will be in the comment section, so make sure to look at it if you're stuck or anything. And I'll see you guys in episode 9 next week. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.